Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My old subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. And the new subscribers, I really appreciate you too. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you very much. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I mix my DIY shea butter mix. This video is a highly requested one and I know it is overdue. Yes, I know. This is because I usually make it in a large batch, large quantity, and I still have much left. In fact, this is the one I'm using right now. I still have some left. That's why I delayed this video so that I will make use of the ones I have before making another one. But I still have some, but I'm going to make a little batch for the sake of this video so that I'll show you how I made the shea butter. So thank you so much. You guys have been asking me to do a video on how I made this shea butter because you always see me using it in my videos. I use it on my kids' hair, and I have four girls plus me, that's 5. So I make a lot because I use it a lot on our natural hair. And this shea butter can also be used as a body cream. You can use it on your body, on your skin. It is perfectly safe because I'm using all natural ingredients. Here I have my shea butter, raw shea butter, straight from Ghana. So here is my extra virgin olive oil. Here I have grapeseed oil, also flaxseed oil, and here is my avocado oil. Here I have my sweet almond oil, and also castor oil. Sorry, this is my pure 100% jojoba oil, my coconut oil, and also my rosemary oil. This is my essential oil. Sorry, I didn't bring my tea tree oil here. I'm adding 2 essential oils. That's the rosemary and the tea tree oil. I'll add this later. I forgot to bring it here. And please, if you are making this for your skin, please, you have to skip the rosemary oil and add any other essential oil like lavender or rose essential oil. Those are good for skin, but the rosemary, I'm doing this for my hair, so I'm adding the rosemary essential oil. And here is my mixing jar and my spatula spoon, my measuring spoon, and my hand mixer. I'll be needing this hand mixer, and also my empty jar where I'll be storing my shea butter after whipping it. I always tell you guys that I recycle my empty containers. This is approved. This is it, my empty Cantu container. This is where I'll be storing my shea butter. Sorry, and also aloe vera gel. I'll be putting aloe vera gel into the mixture. So now let me start adding my ingredients. Here is my raw shea butter. I'll be taking this 1/4 cup, that's 60 ml of the shea butter. Let me scoop this out. I think this is okay. I just want to make a little batch because I still have some left. But for this video, I have to make another one to show you guys. Okay, this is my shea butter, and now my coconut oil. It is solidified because of the weather, so I take that 1/8 cup, that's 30 ml of the coconut oil. Okay, it's okay. Here is my extra virgin olive oil. I take 1 teaspoon of the extra virgin olive oil. And 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Okay. 1 teaspoon of that. And also flaxseed oil. Also 1 teaspoon. Please, you don't have to use all this type of oil that I'm using. You can make use of anything you have at hand. This is what I'm having right now, so you don't have to use all this type. You can get away with a shea butter and your olive oil and whip it very well, and it will come out nicely. This is my avocado oil. Now my sweet almond oil. Okay. Okay. Then my castor oil. Because I'm taking the same measurements of the oils. That's 1 teaspoon of each. Okay, castor oil is thick. Okay, and then my jojoba oil, the same amount of that. It's coming out in drops. Okay, is it? I've added everything together. The aloe vera, I'll be adding it later, and the essential oils, I'll be adding that later. So now I'm going to melt down this mixture using the double boiler method. Here we are in the kitchen. As you can see, I've already placed a pot of water on the fire. It's hot, so I'm going to place my oils in it like this and leave it for some time to melt down. After some minutes, this is how it looks like. So now I mix it together very well like this, and now it's time for me to add my essential oils to it. This is my rosemary essential oil and my tea tree essential oil. Okay, so first of all add my tea tree. I add like 10 drops. Okay, and then the rosemary, also 10 drops of it. Please remember, if you are using this mixture on your skin, you skip this rosemary and add any other essential oil to it. After mixing it very well like this, I'll now place it in the fridge to solidify a little bit before whipping it. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to place it in the fridge, then after some minutes I'll be back to show you how it looks like. This is how my shea butter looks after leaving it in the fridge for an hour. This is how it looks. As you can see, the spoon can easily dip inside. It is not fully solidified. This is how we want it. So now it's time for me to introduce the hand blender, the hand mixer. Then I start to whip it up. And here, this is where I'll be adding my aloe vera gel to it and whip everything together. Okay. I add this much. Then I whip everything together. You have to be very careful when whipping it because it will splash all over. So you do it gently. Soft, creamy and fluffy. This is it. My shea butter is ready, and I'm going to transfer this into my storage container. As you can see, very creamy and fluffy. So that's it. This is how I make my shea butter mix. Please, as I said earlier on, you don't have to use all the type of oils that I use. Just make use of what you have, and it will come out nicely if you whip it very well. Okay, here I'm transferring it into my container. So that's the end of this video. I don't want it to be too long. I will have explained to you the benefits of each oil to our natural hair. So please, you can go and Google it and see the benefits of each oil that I used, or the type of oil that you want to use. You can check the benefits before using it. Now my shea butter mix is ready. This is what I got from that quantity of shea butter. This is what I got from it. This one is almost full and a full jar. So that's it. The color of the shea butter mix will depend on the type of oils you use and the amount of oil in it. My first shea butter that I showed you, as you see, it was yellowish in color. That I didn't add the aloe vera gel to that one, and also I used less oil in it. That's why the color of the shea butter was natural. For this, the aloe vera made it fluffy and creamy. That's why it's like this. This is it, very fluffy, very moisturizing. As you can see, it's good for the skin and hair. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you've not clicked the subscribe button below, please kindly do that one beside it, and also don't forget the bell icon beside it. That will notify you whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.